This is Mike. Mike is a really good friend of mine. He decided to come over and say, hey, JayArUhCutz, I need you to give me a fresh cut. Not really. That's not what he said. He actually came over unannounced. I didn't even invite him over. But you know what? I said I'll give you a little taper. Let's go.
It's the best time of my life.
Man, this feels amazing. Swear there's no replacement.
This the best time of my life.
My family keep me grounded and my God, it keep me stable.
What up? What up? What's poppin'? Y'all already know who it is. 5-Star Rock. You know I'm here today with Rosales getting a haircut. He said my edge was a little muffed up, but you finna see in a few minutes. It's gonna be that.
So I already took him down. I took him down to a 1.5 all around. I've already started the taper here, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue. I'm gonna line up the mustache and the little beard, and of course
The little beard.
yeah, the little beard. I'm using my FX3. We're gonna go ahead and continue punching in the ball guideline, and then we're gonna continue from there. These right here.
I had them a long time ago, but they was just red and black.
Bro, I got these from the Nike outlet and Daytona. $30.
Bro, let me see.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, you should have left him there.
All right, so I've already established my bald line with the trimmer. So I went ahead and grabbed my LoPros, my Indie Authentic influencers. This is what I've been using for a while now, guys. However, I got an announcement. I just bought some new clippers and trimmers. So you'll be seeing that unboxing soon and that video where I purchased those items soon. So stay tuned. But right now, I just went ahead and I created the next guideline with the clipper no guard all the way open. And as you can see, I'm working through it, working through the steps with the clipper closed, hitting the bottom, halfway, hitting the middle, and then all the way back open, back up to where I left off. So there's my next guard. I believe it's a 1 guard if I'm not mistaken. If you're not already, please subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell, so that way when I drop that next video of my unboxing of my new clippers and my new equipment that I got, you guys can be right there ready to go to watch. You don't have to search for it. You're gonna get a notification, so make sure you guys are subscribed. I thank you guys so much. Right now, as of the making of this video, I'm at 47 subscribers, which is amazing work. Thank you guys so much. I'm super appreciative for that. Please stay tuned as I have more amazing videos coming along the way. This is a nice little low taper haircut. Hopefully you like the thumbnail that I made. So anyway, as you can see, I'm not 100% confident at this point yet. This is before I replaced my blade. This is before I've started barber school. Actually, this was like the week before I started barber school. So I was like very excited, and I was still cutting some friends and coworkers' hair. So here I am cutting my boy Mike, I call him Jenkins, cutting his hair, and as you can see, I'm semi-confident in my hand placement and brushing down. I didn't do a lot of tapers at this point. I did a lot of mid fades and even some scissor work, but tapers I was still pretty new to. But surprisingly, this one came out really good.
Oh, Jay, you got those shit sharp.
As you could tell. So here I am with my FX3s, creating the bald line in the back of the neck there, in the back of the nape. Just establishing that straight bald line. As you'll see, I'll clean it up here in a second. So I'm slowly building my confidence, as you can see, just kind of taking my time, going around the neck. You can sit back a little bit.
All right.
So here I am with the lever open, no guard, and just establishing that first guideline. Go ahead and put on my next guard, move up another finger's width there. And this right here is something new to me. He's got the little roll right there underneath the occipital bone, so I had to kind of work around that as best as I could, but I think I did a good job. Again, guys, if you're not already, please subscribe, like, and share if you're enjoying the content so far. I appreciate it. Thank you. Just trying to make that bottom line disappear. I think I got the blend pretty good in between. Here I am doing some detailing work with the corners on my blade. Look at me. Decided to pull out the FX3 since that's what I used to create the initial bald line there. Just cleaning that up. There I am with my LoProFX Influencer Edition trimmers, getting the nice line in the back of the head. I decided to lay him down for this portion.
Stop.
I find it easier just to lay them down so they can lay their neck back and stretch their neck out so I can reach this part of their neck without having to bend over and look underneath their neck. I find that hurts my back a lot, so I'd rather just lay the seat down so they can stretch their neck back. That gives me a chance to get a better angle as well, to see those hairs, see the light better. Just cleaning up his mustache with my trimmers. At this point, I wasn't comfortable with razor work yet. I haven't really got a chance to bust out my razors, so I didn't really feel comfortable using any razors on him yet. It's all trimmer work on the face right now, but we got him pretty clean with just the trimmers.
Yeah, I knew he was gonna do.
And some holding spray on him so we can get his lineup going. Got my rhino comb out so we can measure his vertical bars out, make sure we got everything straight. You want me to just clean up the hairs, the loose hairs?
And they arch them a little bit.
It's not like fully connected.
I mean, down below if you think me and my choo will be a cute couple. Don't listen to him. What soap do you use for your hands?
Bro, I got gloves on.
It smells like shit to me. Go ahead.
I saw that coming.
That shit burn. Hold on.
It's just alcohol.
Burn, they will not see me at work. One
Hold
time I
him
called out of
Hold him
work.
out.
Oh, shoot.
He did it again. Spray his eyebrow too. That's what's gonna really burn. Spray his eyebrow.
And I'm gonna play my little song or whatnot. Hold on, not yet.
A few moments later.
On the beat.
Are you good, Jay?
And that's all. It's 5-Star Rocky signing out. See y'all later.
Hey.
It's the best time of my life.
Man, this feels amazing. Swear there's no replacement.
This the best time of my life.
My family keep me grounded and my God, it keep me stable.